Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize the profile on the Zoho Invoice application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. Click on Settings, then tap on Organization Profile, and here you can tap to this white box at the top to upload a logo. You can either choose it from your files or select it from your photo library, as you can see. Then you can enter your organization name, then your email address, the business location can be selected too, and the portal, which gives your customers access to portal to view transactions and make online payments. Then you should also provide your company address, so type in the address line, then the city, then the state, zip, phone number, fax, website, then the time zone should be selected, as well as the fiscal year starts in February, as I have set it. I've changed it to January. Then you can also select the language, the currency, and the date format. So after being done with all these steps, click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.